Security requirements are varied depending on which industry or sector you are as far as business is concerned. And I'd like to focus a little bit more on the financial sector. We're talking about things like insurance companies, we're talking about stock exchanges, anything that deals with money. Now, many financial institutions have gone ahead and decided to have very dedicated connectivities that only interconnect the financial institutions. Now, obviously, they don't build their own infrastructure, they don't build their own fiber, run their own wireless networks, or even set up their own satellite dishes, but they do contract service providers who can provide them this very unique requirement. The next layer is obviously within their own infrastructure. So they could have firewalls, intrusion prevention, intrusion detection that allows their systems internally to be protected. Within their infrastructure, their websites, they have an encryption technology that is backed up by a certification system it's an international system that allows every person who's using that website to be guaranteed that they're secured. So once you log in, obviously some banks will use a username and password which you have created and is verified by a third method. It's called Multifactor Authentication, where you can actually use a username and password and perhaps a text message sent to you by the banking system with a code that you can input into your account to verify. Secondly, you have the three-factor authentication. If you put in your card details and your password, but you do not receive the third authentication factor, for example, an SMS from your bank with a code, you know that that's compromised, and therefore you should not proceed with any transactions. So the financial sector works by ensuring that they have replicated systems worldwide. For those who are international banking systems, or within local, they make sure that they have replicated systems. So for example, a local bank will have maybe the system sitting in its own premises in a secured facility, but they also ensure that they co-locate backups and replicated systems within another, yet also very secure system. Stock exchanges make or break by their being up all the time. And today, because a lot of them are interconnected, speed of transaction is very critical. So they ensure that they are always running well by ensuring they have very robust connectivity, meaning that A, it's top-notch quality as far as making sure the responsiveness of the connectivity between various entities that are transacting within the stock exchange need to transact. Secondly, resiliency, multiple connections with multiple sources, making sure that even if one connection goes down, the others are able to continue running the service. So that is also an aspect of security that is also taken care of as far as the financial sector is concerned.